Tom doesn't want to be on my GoPro video. That's because he's wanted in like 6 countries.
Yeah, that's right. 6 countries. Please, I hate this.
I would say that the roads in Puerto Vallarta are not bicycle friendly. Yeah, if you bring your bicycle to Puerto Vallarta or you think you want to rent one, make sure you also take out insurance and wear your helmet. I'm looking for Febreze because my my cat decided to thank me for leaving by peeing in the top of my backpack. I now smell like cat urine. Hola.
Hola.
Tequila, finish. Oh, this is my birthday suit.
Where's that in Puerto Vallarta?
Huh?
Where's that?
I said bienvenidos desde Vallarta. Welcome from Puerto Vallarta.
Oh, welcome.
Okay.
He welcomes.
Canada.
Ah,
Canada.
Oh, where?
Vancouver.
Ah, BC.
You've been to BC?
I got lots of friends from BC.
Oh, of course. That's like BC and Mexico. There's a lot of friendship, right? You like to smoke the weed in BC?
Oh yeah,
Yeah?
you can do it. Now in Mexico, you can do it now.
Yeah, it's legal, right?
Yeah.
Mexico made their weed legal, and it's a big deal. Lots of stuff.
Spice for green tobacco. First time?
Puerto Vallarta? No. Fue aquí muchas veces.
Ah, muy bien, qué bueno. ¿Hablas español?
Y Mazatlán,
How much for the bottle opener?
It's 50 pesos. But you better deal how many? 1, 2, 3.
50 pesos?
Well, I got those for less. But this is less low quality.
It's cute though.
These are only.
a little thing like this.
Those are better. Those are better quality.
How much for this one?
50. But how many do you need?
50? I just want one.
Let's do 40 for you.
40?
40. I can go for 35. I can
Okay, I think 40 I'll do for the shark one. There we go, I made a deal. Frida.
That's Frida.
Frida was a very famous artist in Mexico. What happened to her? Did she live a good life or did she die horribly?
She died. No, she died by natural.
Oh, natural. Died of old age. She had a good life and died of old age.
Do you know the history of her?
I saw the movie Frida.
I see.
Yeah, but I don't remember all of it. I was trying to do some research on Puerto Vallarta to figure out
Diego Rivera.
this
Diego
guy.
Rivera is the husband.
Oh, that's the husband of Frida.
In the bills of 500 pesos, you can find Frida and
On the bills of
Diego Rivera.
That's Diego Rivera on the 500 pesos, which is about... How much USD is this?
It's 500 pesos.
So,
It's in
$10.
US like a $25.
$25 US.
This is one of the most famous paints of him.
Ah.
And this is Frida.
Oh, there she is. Beautiful lady. Very cool, man. There's some cool Mexicans, some famous Mexicans. Well, muchas gracias, señor. I'll try to get you famous on YouTube.
Órale.
Adios.
Adios.
It's just an endless array of tourist kitsch. Never-ending pictures of Frida and Los Muertos and things for sale. Mexican goods made in China. Definitely made in Mexico.
I don't know if they're probably made in Mexico.
Hola. Oh, no gracias. Everybody wants to sell you something. So I did a little research into the history of Puerto Vallarta. Apparently, it was just a place where pirates came to hang out and hide from the Navy until around 1930, when around the 1930s when tourists discovered it. And they started coming down here. In the 1960s, that really took off, and the whole city is basically built around tourism. What else is there to do here but chill at the beach, drink some tequila, look at the beautiful women? Right?
Yes, sir.
Vamos lá, Edu, tira a picture ali, Edu. Aqui.
Llévate el sombrero. Y si son de esas balas,
Hey, look. It looks like I found a COVID art installation. The Mexicans have already turned COVID into art. That, or maybe they're landmines. One of the things I like to do whenever I come to a new place is just walk. I'll walk for hours and hours. And the key is to not get robbed or sexually assaulted, and it hasn't happened yet. It's a very lush and beautiful city with a lot of greenery, plants everywhere, flowers. There's banana trees here right in the middle of the city. Look, they're growing bananas.
3 or 4 hours. Then you get used to them.
I need to find something to destroy the cat smell. Hola.
hola.
¿Tiene Febreze?
Febreze? Febreze for the smell is bad. Malo, you know?
No?
No. No gracias. Ajax maybe. No.
No.
What was this?
Keep moving, we'll find something. Gotta make daylight. Gotta make the Walmart by daylight.
No luck on the mission to destroy the kitty smell.
We gotta make the Walmart by daylight, Tony.
We gotta make Walmart by daylight. It's a mission.
Is it by daylight or by... I was a pioneer like 100 years ago. How would I say it? By daylight?
By daylight?
By nightfall.
By nightfall.
Let's make Walmart by nightfall.
By moonlight. No, because we have till dawn, right?
I think it's nightfall.
To get to Walmart?
By nightfall.
By nightfall. If any of you are wondering what it's like to wear a mask in the tropical countries, imagine cooking a taco with your face. That's probably a little bit what it feels like. But you gotta keep the world safe, do your duty, just like Batman would. You look like Bane.
Who?
Bane from Batman.
I feel like this mask is fine.
No, it looks cool. You look cooler than me.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like my face is impossible.
What's it made of?
Odors.
This eliminates odors. See? It's obvious that the Mexican people have problems with their cats spraying on their belongings as well. They have a lot of disinfectants to choose from. So many. I feel like I have too many choices.
Just grab one.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y tú?
So from Canada.
Oh,
Hola, from Canada.
Puerto Vallarta.
Puerto Vallarta. Adios.
Adiós, amigo.
Check this out. It's like a cemetery.
People here are so friendly. So
It's like a cemetery. It's an actual cemetery. It's very colorful.
no way, it's a real cemetery. This is where, wow, look at this. It's a really cool looking cemetery. Ezequiel Gonez. Rest in peace. The thing I love about Latin America, well, at least Mexico from what I've seen, are the colors. Everything's about color and joy. Even though they've had a very hard history and a very hard life, the Latin blood, it loves color, it loves love, it loves celebration. Even in death, they celebrate it. See, death is a beautiful, scary, but beautiful event. It's not so dark and sad like it is for us in the Western world. I think I could handle living in a house like that. It's a beautiful place. Down there you can see the hotel zone, which is not somewhere I would like to live. It's just high rises, and it's the Disneyland section of Puerto Vallarta. And this is where I don't know if this would be upper middle class citizens live, or poor people, or rich people. I have no idea, but it's really nice up here.
I'm trying to find a guy with a baseball bat. He's been knocked one open.
Senor, do you have a baseball bat? Hola.
Why don't you get one of those and live in it?
Pocho.
Why don't you get one of those and live in it?
Maybe I will get one of those and live in
Instead
it.
of van life, it can be bocho life.
Bocho life, Mexico.
This is me living in a bocho.
Where would you cook your food and
Dude, that's
make love?
part of the adventure of living in a bocho. You figure it out.
You figure it out.